see if it sees what I see. Gotta angle it. Curved angle. Think we're gonna be good. Hold on. Now if I'm holding this piece here and I'm doing this, I think we're gonna be good. So this stupid piece of shit, $60 for this piece of garbage. Let's see if we can do this. There we go. Time to be careful, right? ABC, always be careful. Fun. A little wet, but I think I got good traction with my my DCs. Seems like a really good grip. That's good. Go into the corner. Then we're gonna go up. Here we go. Okay. That wasn't so bad so far. Let's see how this works out. Alright, not raining. My little contraptions seem to work here. It's a nice temporary fix. Did seem to work. Did hold up. So that's good. This piece looks like it just slides right on here, I guess, huh? Is that pressure on there? I don't think it's screwed. Yeah, I don't think that's screwed on there. Yeah, it's just pressured on there. Look at that. That's all that is, huh? Nothing to it. Hey, I can see my house from here. Alright. Let's see if this works. I gotta get expanded to the right size, which I think I did pretty good. Not the exact one that was on here, but this will work. These are on here pretty good. Make sure before I start tightening, huh? Guess that's a smart thing to do. I think we are. I think I'm on there pretty good. Oh, there we go. You know what? Good thing I checked. Now we're seated. Feel my finger all the way around. Okay. Make sure. Might open it just a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to open it a little bit more. Get a little more hopefully I'm getting it on the GoPro right now. It's a little easier than I thought so far, anyway. There's a couple of different kinds to get. Damn things are expensive. It's just a shitty piece of metal. What's down there anyway? Anything good? I'm gonna take a picture with the cell phone. Better not drop it in there. I'll just do the camera part. Imagine dropping that shit in there. That would absolutely suck. Put on night vision. Wow, that is really frightening looking. I don't like that. It is weird. Alright, you know what? Let's put that away. Let's get this going now. I think I opened it wide enough. It said 5 to 7 inches. I measured it, it was like just a little bit more than 6 inches. Just a hair. Okay, so I think we're seated good. Okay. Baby steps. Let's do a little bit at a time, right? Get them a little snug, like putting on a tire on the car. Get one a little bit. Some of those other ones are going to be tough to get. Let's try to make it so I can get it where I don't have to fight to get either one. Okay, I think we're good. This will be the hardest one to get right here, and of course it's got to be a flathead, not a Phillips, which is really stupid. I hate that. Really dumb. I hope this is all coming out good. Sorry. The angle with the GoPro. Trying to get it trying to get a good angle here. I got it on my head, the GoPro. Okay. Down a little more. Okay. Now this one, that's gonna be a tough one. Okay, just right. Come on, baby. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, I'm gonna go too tight, I don't want to break it. Maybe use the flathead. I got the handheld. Get a better feel for it. Better feel. Okay. Get the one I can't get to too good. I could go by feel now. And I'll know if it's too tight or not tight enough. Once I, oh, I'm coming from the wrong angle. Forgot it's over here. I should have had my drone hovering over the house while I did this. That would have been pretty cool, right? I could have just had it in a set spot and I could have just hovered the whole time. That would have been fun. Oh, I had it tighten a little bit. Try it again. Oh, here we go. Getting a good feel for it. I gotta watch the metal, make sure it's not bending. I don't want to go too much. Okay, that's good there. Oh boy. Get a better angle. Kurt angle. Did I use that joke yet? Okay, I'm got it. Going by feel now. Completely in the dark. So I feel getting too tight. I don't want to bend the metal. That looks like it's good, people. Yeah, that's on there tight. That's on there tight. That ain't going anywhere. If I really want to go crazy, I could actually drill holes probably, right? Screw it in. But none of them have that option, so. This one was only on there by pressure. The other one broke. You can see where it snapped. I think we're good. We're good. So let's take pictures with the cell phone now. I could show everybody how cool I am. Still recording, hopefully. Let's touch the screen and make sure. Oop. Yep, we're still recording. Okay, time to get my monkey ass down. That guy's staring at me. That's Maple Tree Road. Tom's River North High School that way. Hooper Avenue and a The mall's that way. I have to roll this down. I'm just gonna let it roll. You ready? Watch this. Oh shit, it's split into a couple pieces. Get rid of the tape. And this little bucket. It worked though, look at that. I drilled holes. It was a good temporary fix for like 4 days, 5 days. She might come outside thinking I fell. That's gonna be funny. Well, not really. Okay. I know this thing doesn't look like it's in the greatest shape, but it's not leaking otherwise, so. Alrighty, here we go. Go to the corner. Right, let's go to the corner. My DC sneakers get really good grip on this. How does that look? There it is, see? Eventually, when we get the HVAC system done, we might have that completely redone. I mean, it looks old, but it's not leaking otherwise, but it seems pretty strong. I was giving it a little shake. But in time, right? Okay. You gotta be careful. Go slow. Spider walk. Spider walk. Keep 3 limbs on contact at all times. At least 3. I never want to have less than 3. Okay, getting closer. Doing good. A little nerve-wracking. Not gonna lie. Okay, we did it. We did it, folks. We did it. Success. Holy crap. We did it. Oh yeah, I gotta get the remnants over here. This is like, wow, yeah, it's falling apart. So this is probably original. Wouldn't be surprised if that was from 1987, to be honest. Okay. So that's it, folks. I could probably put the wax back in this thing. You can see the holes I drilled in here. 1-inch holes. I drilled 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, I covered one with tape by mistake. So 3 out of the 4 holes were venting, but it was working. We weren't using the house heat, obviously, because it's summertime. Right now it's a good time to do it. It's like 78, 77 degrees. Rain stopped. I swear by these DC sneakers, they get really good grip. Incredible. Way better than my boots did. Tried my boots, they didn't grip as good. So now I can take the GoPro off my hat. That was fun. We did it. Finito. 13 minutes 30 seconds, but I did it quicker. Well, that's the whole length of the video. So, okay. Chimney cap repair done.